Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix the stuck on verifying downloaded files issue in the game Once Human. If you're encountering this problem, don't worry, there are several solutions you can try. First, start with a simple restart of your device. This can often resolve minor software glitches that might be causing the issue. Next, ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. Verifying downloaded files requires a consistent connection, and any interruptions could lead to the process getting stuck. If the problem persists, try clearing the game's cache and data. This will remove any temporary files that might be causing conflicts. If none of the above steps work, reinstalling the game is a good option. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and you're still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to Once Human customer support. They can provide further assistance and troubleshoot the issue specifically for your situation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.